you did 36 transactions, 200K, $216,000 of GCI, if you think about that number right there, for example, that puts you in the top, I think, 3% of agents in this city. Right there. 36 transactions, 200K. But what happens right now if every time somebody goes there, you're losing one deal a month? People always ask me, what's the ROI of doing brand? I don't know. If it gets you one more deal a month, it's worth 72 G's. Or if it stops you from losing a deal every single month, it's worth 72 G's. And if it gains you one, now it's worth 140 grand. And the worst part about it is, I can't tell you how much you're losing, because I don't know. Now, maybe nobody goes to your stuff, nobody looks at any of your stuff, and you could take it all down and it wouldn't change your business. I don't know that either. But I do know I don't want to take those chances, because I'm working too hard to build the business to do what it is I say that I want to do. Okay?